Welcome to this video on trigonometric ratios of some standard angles. In this video, we discussed like how to find T ratios of some standard angles. And before going to this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. So let's start the video. Trigonometric ratios of some standard angles. See, here we are going to learn only few standard angles like 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Okay, and to remember these values, trigonometric ratios of these values, so we can remember one shortcut trick. So easily you can make the table and you can learn also. Okay, so first I will give small hint to you. So please remember this hint. So based on that hint, you can remember all the sign values. So those are, first start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide this all by 4. Suppose like 0 I am taking, that is 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. And apply root to each and every term here, like root of 0 by 4, root of 1 by 4, root of 2 by 4, root of 3 by 4, root of 4 by 4. And simplify that value. So whatever value we get here, that is 0 by 4 is 0 only. So root 0 is 0. That means sine 0 is 0. Next one, root 1 by 4. Root 1, numerator is like 1 only and root 4 is 2. So that value is like 1 by 2. Next, root of 2 by 4, that is 1 upon root 2. Next value, root 3 by 4, that is numerator is root 3, root 4 value is 2. So root of 3 by 2 and 4 by 4 is 1, root 1 is 1 only. So in this way we can remember these sign values. Okay, hope you understood this. Then after making these sign values, to get cos, tan, cot, cosecant and secant, so what we take, write the cos values in reverse order, exactly the reverse order of this sign values only. So what I do, I will start with 1 here in reverse order, just mention in reverse order. 1, next value is root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 and 1 upon root 2, 1 by 2, 0. Right? And we know to find the third value, tangent value, tan of the like any value. So what we will take, we know already tan theta is equals to tan theta. In last class we discussed these all things. Tan theta is equals to sin theta upon cos theta. Sin theta upon cos theta. So by taking this formula, ratio of sine and cos only, ratio of sine and cos only, that means 0 by 1 is 0 only. 1 by 2 upon root 3 by 2, denominators 2 and 2 get cancelled. So 1 upon root 3, this value is 1 only. This is root 3. 1 by 0 is not defined. So we got tan values. So here you have to remember only one thing to find the tan value, like tan theta is equals to, we have to remember only one formula, that is sin theta upon cos theta. This is the hint point I am giving to you, sin theta upon cos theta. So you have to remember. And after that we move to cot. Cot is again in reverse order of this tan only. So write in reverse order. That is not defined. Not defined. Next value is root 3. 1. 1 upon root 3. Then 0. So these are the cot values. Next we move to cosecant values. Cosecant, when you are taking cosecant theta here, so cosecant theta value is, cosecant theta is reciprocal of sine only. So 1 upon sine theta. So this is the another formula you have to remember. Already in previous class we discussed. So cosecant theta is 1 upon sine theta. So 1 upon sine theta means 1 by 0. That is not defined. Then reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 only. 1 by root 2 is root 2. This one is 2 upon root 3. Next 1 by 1 is 1 only. Again write this in reverse order. So that is 1, 2 upon root 3, root 2, 2, not defined. So like this we can make the table very easily if you know these small tricks, right? So here only you have to remember this hint point, that is root of 0 by 4, root of 1 by 4, root of 2 by 4, root of 3 by 4, root of 4 by 4. That's it. So once you know this, and along with that 2 more formulas, those formulas what you need to remember, like tan theta is equals to sine by cos theta, means sine theta by cos theta, and cosecant theta is reciprocal of sine only, that means 1 by sine theta. These 2 hint points also you have to remember to make the table very easily. Okay, and one more thing, from this table you can observe 0 to 90 degrees, if you take sine values, it is in increasing order, and cos values definitely it is in decreasing order only, right? So 0 to 90 degrees sine values, so you can observe easily. Even in tan values also, like 0 to 90 is increasing only, cot value is decreasing, right? So like that you can observe the simple things. And one more important point, see here, sine 30 degrees and cos 60, both the values are equal only. 30, see these two pairs, sine and cos is like one pair, and tan and cot is one pair, and cosecant and secant as like one pair you are taking. So complementary angles you are taking here, like 0 and 90 degrees, sine 0 degrees and cos 90 degrees, both will be equal only. Okay, and also sine 30 degrees and cos 60 are equal, sine 45 cos 45 are equal, sine 60 and cos 30 will be equal. So complementary angles are equal here, right? So these are the points you have to remember, right? To first you need to learn like how to make the table, and small observations like sine 0 degrees and cos 90 degrees are equal, sine 30 and cos 60 are equal. This observation you have to remember. So along with that, some more note points here. Observe carefully. Sine to the power of n angle, like theta you can take or a you can take, that is equals to sine a whole to the power of n. So for example, sine square 30 degrees value. What is sine square 30 degrees value? So sine square 30 mean we can write it as like sine 30 degrees whole square also you can write. And we know sine 30 degrees value is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 whole square, that is equals to 1 by 4. So like that you can find the value by using this formula. Sine to the power of n, theta is equals to sine theta whole to the power of n. Whatever power is there, so for whole, sine theta whole to the power of n you can take. This is the one more important point you have to remember to solve the any question related to some like standard angles. Okay, so further we will discuss 1-2 examples from NCERT. One is like NCERT example 8 from the NCERT book. I taken this one. So if suppose sine of a minus b is equals to 1 by 2 and cos of a plus b is equals to 1 by 2, comma 0 less than a plus b less than or is equals to 90, comma a less than b. Find a and b. What are the values of like angle a and angle b? So we need to find it. So very simple. Here two equations are given. So those are sine of a minus b is equals to 1 by 2. And another one is cos of a plus b is equals to 1 by 2. So from this, sine of what angle is equals to 1 by 2? Let us check. Sine of what angle is equals to 1 by 2? That is, if you observe carefully, 1 by 2. When? If it is equals to 30 degrees. Sine 30 is equals to 1 by 2. So that means in this example, what we can take? A minus b. In place of a minus b, we need to take 30 degrees. So then only it is possible. A minus b is equals to 30 degrees. This is equation 1. In the same way, cos of a plus b is 1 by 2 mean a plus b value definitely 60 degrees. These two are complementary angles. Right? Sine of theta is equals to 1 by 2 and cos of theta also 1 by 2 mean both must be complementary angles, or else you can check the table also. Cos of what angle will give us 1 by 2? That 1 by 2 is here. So that angle is 60 degrees. So cos table you check it once. Okay. Hope you understood like how to check the values. So now cos of a plus b is 1 by 2 mean a plus b is 60 degrees. So this is equation 2. By solving these two equations, 1 and 2, by adding, so we will get a value. So suppose by adding these two, equation 1 plus equation 2, that will give us a plus a is 2a plus a minus b, mean minus b plus b will get cancelled. That is equals to 30 plus 60 is 90 degrees. So a is equals to 45 degrees. That means angle a is 45 degrees. From equation 1 or equation 2, suppose equation 2 only I am taking. Equation 2, we know a plus b is 60 mean 45 degrees plus b is equals to 60 degrees. So b is equals to 15 degrees. Like this we can find it. Okay, so the angles of a and b are here. A is 45 degrees and b is 15 degrees. Hope you understood this. So then we move next example. One more example, that is evaluate the value of 5 cos square 30 degrees plus 4 secant square 30 degrees minus tan square 45 degrees upon sine square 30 degrees cos square 30 degrees. Okay. So to find this value, we must remember the values. What is 5, like cos 30 degree value? 5 into this one, we can write it as like cos 30 degrees whole square also. Already I given hint point to you. Plus 4 into secant 30 whole square minus tan 45 degrees whole square upon sine 30 whole square, sine 30 degrees whole square plus cos 30 degrees whole square. So replace the values here now. So 5 into cos 30 degrees value is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 whole square plus 4 into cos 30 is like root 3 by 2 means secant 30 is 2 by root 3 only. Reciprocal of that. So 2 by root 3 whole square minus tan 45 is 1 square upon sine 30 is 1 by 2 whole square. 1 by 2. Sine 30 is 1 by 2 plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2 whole square. So we need to simplify this. So that gives 5 into 3 by 4, that is 15 by 4, plus 16 by 3 minus 1 whole divided by 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 value is 1 only. So we need to simplify only the numerator value. So to simplify this numerator value, like LCM is 12 here. So by 4 it goes 3 times. 3 into 15, 45, plus by 3 it goes 4 times. 4 into 16, 64, minus 12 is equals to 45 plus 64 minus 12. So 64 minus 12 is 52. So this will give us 97 upon 12. So this is the final value. Hope you understood. Thank you all.